Hello, today we're going to learn when the letter H is silent. This lesson is good for beginners to advanced as most students are confused about when to pronounce the letter H. I'm going to show you 60 of the most common words with a silent letter H, 7 spelling tips on when not to say the letter H, a couple of differences between British and American English when it comes to the letter H, and I'll be including all of the IPA symbols on the screen and in the description below. If you'd like to learn how to say the pronounced letter H, I've made a video for you and the link should be above. So when is the letter H silent? How about these W question words? What, why, where, when, which, and who. Only one of these words has a pronounced letter H and the rest are silent. Which one is it? That's right. Who is the only question word here with a pronounced letter H. It's normally silent after the W, such as words like this: while, whip, whirl, whisker, whisper, whistle, white, wheel. And also in these words: whale, wham, wheat, what's up, weather, and wine. Sometimes the letter H is silent at the beginning of a word. These are usually French borrowed words like hour and honest. As they start with a vowel sound, we need to use the indefinite article an. It was an honest mistake. I'll see you in an hour. The letter H is often silent after SC, as in school, schedule, scheme. The letter H is usually silent after C, like in these words: chemistry, church, echo, stomach, technology, mechanic, chaos, ache. Sometimes the H is silent in TH, such as Thailand, time, asthma, Thomas, and the Thames, as in the river in London. Sometimes silent after the letter R: rhino, rhyme, rhythm. Silent after G: ghost, ghetto, gherkin, ghee. The silent GH: high, right, flight, though, although, wait, and straight. And we don't always say the H after EX. Exhilarating, exhausting, exhibition, but we do say it in exhale. The consonant cluster PH is usually pronounced as an F. Phenomenon, photo, elephant. And usually the GH at the end of a word is also pronounced as an F. Tough, enough. And let's not forget the P in hiccup. British and American English have their differences when it comes to pronouncing the letter H. British cooks like the H in herbs, whereas Americans prefer herbs. Brits drink herbal tea and Americans prefer herbal tea. The letter H in the word vehicle is pronounced with a short vowel I in British English and a long vowel E in American English. So British English, vehicle; American English, vehicle. So let's review what we've learned about the silent H in English. H is only sometimes silent, often after the letter W at the beginning of words. It's also sometimes silent after the letters SC, C, G, R, or EX. There's also silent GH, and the H in TH is sometimes silent. PH is usually pronounced F, and Brits like herb and Americans prefer herb. There is a list of the 60 words that we looked at today with their IPA symbols in the description below. If you'd like to learn about the letter H and connected speech to make yourself sound more natural, click on this video here.